Hi everyone, I'm Filip from Review.Network. First, I want to thank you all for being here today and taking time to learn a bit more about us. Review.Network is a decentralized, high-quality market feedback platform. Our goal is to improve communication between companies and consumers, for which we believe is broken nowadays. We plan to do so by targeting two different industries: market research and online reviews. Market research industry has not been through any significant changes during the last couple of decades. Review.Network is planning to bring some improvements that will make the process faster, more cost-effective, and with a huge focus on data integrity. On the other hand, online reviews are being used every day by people for making everyday decisions, whether small or big. And according to some resources, people trust online reviews as much as they would trust to friends recommending a certain product or service. On the other hand, we have reports from huge review platforms like Yelp that claim that every fifth review on their platform is fake. So this is a big issue and it needs to be addressed and fixed. Market research process on Review.Network platform is very simple and straightforward. We have built a simple interface for companies where they can create and publish their surveys to their targeted audience. Once surveys are being published, users are being notified on their native mobile applications that there is a new survey to be filled. Once they provide the answers, they are being safely stored on blockchain, while companies are being informed and updated about this in almost real time. Companies get to see simple data, but also very advanced analytics and reports created by our AI system. What's one of the most important parts here is that in the end, users are being rewarded with our native tokens for filling out surveys. This is not how things work today, where in most of situations, end users who do provide data are basically getting nothing or close to nothing. When it comes to online reviews, two most important things for us are validation and making them immutable. How we do this? Basically, the process works in a way that users who want to post certain review on a platform need to stake certain amount of our native tokens. Once the review is being submitted, it's sent to community to do the validation process. So only the reviews that are successfully validated are getting stored on blockchain and published on platform. After successful validation, users and validators are being rewarded for the work and time they put into this. Otherwise, if review is not validated, it's being discarded, and stake tokens are being redirected to our rewards pool. For achieving many of features that I just talked about, we utilized blockchain technology. This basically gave us a chance to make data publicly available while still keeping good care about users' privacy. On the other hand, keeping platform censorship free and incentivizing fair play among all platform users. Our platform is using our native Rev tokens, which are being used by companies to pay users or consumers for filling out surveys. What happens in the process that part of these tokens is also being redirected to a rewards pool, from which basically we are incentivizing reviewers and validators, and that way keeping our token economics sustainable. We will publish total supply of 5 billion tokens, which will be sold at a price of 1 euro cent at a crowd sale, which will be in September this year. At the moment, we have fully developed prototype of our mobile applications, and our development team is working really hard to get our publicly available beta version version ready by the end of the year. In the meantime, we are traveling across the globe, getting early validation of products and getting to meet potential partners and investors and hear their feedback and their comments on the work that we are doing. We are at stage 2 of our private sale right now, after stage 1 was successfully completed, reaching a goal of 1 million euros, and our public sale will be in this September. If you have any questions or would like to talk more with us about product or ICO, please feel free to visit us at our booth, which is right over there. Thank you very much all for your time.